Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your earpads on the Sony XM3 headphones. So to do this repair, all you're going to need is just this pry tool and two earpads, and we do sell this pry tool on our website. The link will be in the description down below, as well as these earpads. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the earpads using this pry tool. So to do so, you're just going to go ahead and insert the pry tool right on the corner and just pry it up. Once you pried one side up, you can go ahead and just use your hand to remove the rest of the earpad, like so. It's held on little clips here, and go ahead and remove this foam as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do it to the left side as well. Go ahead and just find one of the edges, pry it up, and then go ahead and just unclip and peel the other earpad off. Once we have done that, we're gonna go ahead and grab our new earpads. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install the foam piece. And when you look on the foam piece, you're going to see that one side is straight and the other side is curved up. On the left side, you're going to notice that one side is curved and the bottom is straight. You want to make sure that this little piece that is sticking out is always on the left side. So we're going to go ahead and place the foam cushion in, like so, and we're going to take the earpad, make sure that the clip and the pin, the two that are closest to one another, go up top. As you see, you have the divot right here for the pin and the clip. So we're going to go ahead, line it up, set the earpad down, and all you do is just push on the outsides of the earpad. Make sure that you're pressing on the actual earpad and not the housing. And as you do this, you should hear the earpad clip into place. And once you do that, just go ahead and give it another round to make sure that everything is clipped in. And once you have done that, you can kind of give it a little pull test. Make sure that the earpad isn't coming off. And once it is not doing that, you have known that the earpad is secure. So we're going to go ahead and do it for the right side as well, following the same steps. The straight end goes to the bottom, the curved end goes to the top where it's curved. This little piece is sticking out to the right, so we know that this goes on the right side. Place it in there like so. Same steps. Make sure that the pin that is closest to the clip goes to the top, as you have the divot right here for the pin and the clip. We're going to go ahead, line those two up, place the ear cushion over it, and we're just going to go on the outsides of the cushion and press it down, and you should hear it clip into place. And once you have done that, go ahead and just give it another round to make sure it's secure. And once you have done that, go ahead and give it a tug. They are not coming off. That means that both earpads are secure, and that is how you successfully replace the earpads on your Sony XM3 headphones. And once again, if you guys want, we do sell this pry tool on our website. The link will be in the description down below, as well as these earpads. We do sell them on our website as well. They are brand new. Thank you for watching.